Hi, I'm Sheila here from Hey Sheila. Today I'm going to do a perfect super review. You want to know what is that? Yes, let me show you. Today I'll be showing you a special product from Tupperware Brands. I'm sure many of y'all have heard about Tupperware Brands, but not many of y'all are aware that Tupperware Brands is a very good quality plastic Tupperware. Okay, and one of our odd selling product in Tupperware Brands is the Eco Bottle. Yes, exactly, Eco Bottle. It's why Eco Bottle is friendly user. Okay, it's water bottle, but it's a friendly user. Eco-friendly, I mean, it's eco-friendly. Okay, so we have various types of Eco Bottles from the range of 500 ml to 1 liter. Of course, we have special edition from 1.5 liter to 3.0 liter. Okay, let me show you two of our products from Eco Bottles. Product number 1, 500 ml water bottle. Yes, this is 500 ml. Okay, we have variety of colors, 4 colors. Okay, you can choose your color, and this is one of the color. Okay, this is the bottle cap. Okay, and it's quite tight. Okay. This is the bottle cap, okay, and the product Eco Bottle Tupperware is written on the bottle cap. This is original. This is how you identify Tupperware Brands Eco Bottle. Make sure you see on the cap, the water bottle cap is written as Eco Bottle, Eco Tupperware Brands. Okay, and this is the bottle. One thing of this bottle, warm water. You can ask me, can I pour warm water, Sheila? Yes, 80%. 80%, yes, exactly, 80% of warm water you can pour into your Eco bottles. Okay, and you can seal it. It's liquid tight. Okay, once you seal it, when you turn over, the water doesn't flow out. Okay. And as you see, it's a special formulation of this bottle. Is the beauty of this bottle is at the lower part of the water bottle, you can see the shape of the water bottle is square. So when you keep on the surface, it's sorry, I'm just going at my palm. So it's quite, you can stand. Okay, you can stand. So that's the reason at the bottom of the water bottle is square. Okay, for easy to keep, to let it, you can keep place the bottle safely anywhere you want. You see, even at my palm. Cool, right? And you make sure that when at the bottle here, that's the brand name here. Can you see the brand name here? Okay, Tupperware is original. Okay, so another bottle, let me show you. This is 500 ml. Okay, and this is 1 liter. 1 liter is a bit different. Okay, just now earlier you saw is the bottle cap, and this one is flip top. Many of us prefer flip top. It's easy to flip it up and just drink, right? Correct, right? So just close. As I said just now, we can use 80% of warm water in one bottle. This is 1 liter. Okay, so this as usual. Once you pour the water inside, as you close, you can close it very tightly. And as you drink, you open up, flip up, and you can drink. And when you close, there's a water here. It doesn't pour it out. So it's safe. This is the specialty of Eco Bottle from Tupperware Brands. And as usual, as I told you, okay, the shape of this bottle, when you scroll it down, it doesn't move like a normal water bottle. If you realize, if you buy the mineral bottle as a normal mineral bottle, the shape is quite round, correct, right? But as you see, this shape is round, but in between you have some sort of surface that when you throw it down, it doesn't roll. Okay, and then as I told you earlier, below here, the square is to place the bottle safely on the ground or anywhere. It doesn't fall easily. You can place the bottle risk-freely in your car, but not as normal plastic bottle, because this is BPA free. Yes guys, it's BPA free. That's the reason when you realize that Tupperware Brands, when you keep in a storeroom or anywhere in kitchen, our friend Mr. Red likes to attack Tupperware brands because he's well aware that Tupperware brands, there's no chemical, so they are safe when they bite Tupperware brands. Compared to other plastics, when they eat the plastic Tupperwares, they will die, but not Tupperware brands. So even the rat knows well which container to eat. That's right, I'm not joking, and I'm telling you the truth. Okay, so today my topic and my review on eco bottles. If you ask me, yes, maybe, or no, I will go for yes. I strongly recommend water bottle, eco water bottle from Tupperware brands. It's good for your children, for yourself, for your husband, or anywhere in your family. So get them a water bottle. This is safe. I believe all our kids, especially our kids going to school, why not give them a water bottle? This is safe. Okay, you tell me, Sheila, I can get a cheaper plastic water bottle because I'm sending it to my kids. I can't assure that my kids will take this free or whether they bring back because I'm paying much for the water bottle. That's a good question. One more thing, guys. If you ask me, you better give them a good quality water in a good quality water bottle. Okay, so that's the reason I tell you. Even though you are paying it for so much for eco bottle, I'm telling you, if life guarantee. Tupperware brands is lifelong guarantee, but it's not assured unless your product is being bitten by the rat. So it's not considered as we can replace it to you. Okay. Otherwise, if you feel the bottle cap, or some damages that is can say we can accept it, they will accept it. No means they will reject it because they will go through the water bottle nicely before they will replace it to you. Okay, guys. So if at all you want to get any of this water bottle, you can contact any of our Tupperware brands agent. You can contact me as well. Okay. So if you want to know about products, especially on Tupperware products, you guys can call me or contact me. So thank you once again, guys, to watch me for the review product today from Tupperware brands, especially from eco bottle, friendly eco bottle product from Tupperware brands. Take care, guys. Thank you so much. Don't forget to like my page, share it, and subscribe it. Thank you. Bye.